Hello.
Hello.
I apologise for the way we look because we just got back from school.
We've gone black and white.
We've gone like.
Hold on 1 minute.
Okay. Hello. Okay, so we just got back from.
Darker now?
No, that's worse. Okay, we just got back from school,
Okay,
and I
no,
apologise for the way we look because we just got back. Yeah, you get the picture. But
hold on.
okay, now we're gonna try and do what Connie just did.
Yes. Bye-bye.
See ya.
Hold on 1 minute while I fill up the glasses.
Oh dear.
The glass is full.
Okay. Ready?
Let's go back to mine.
Okay, that'll be fine.
Got it.
Oh, and I also apologise because we haven't done videos in absolutely ages, and sorry about that. It's done like since like last year.
It's like she hasn't been like my house.
She replaced me with another friend.
No, I didn't. I did not replace you. It's just
okay. Whatever. Let's go outside. Did you just hear something outside?
downstairs. I have to drink like all the Coke fast.
Oh, I'm too ladylike for this. Yeah, right. Your turn.
Hold on, I have to down all that to get a burp.
Just wet your chest.
Seeing nothing. I feel what?
Hold on. Hold on.
Did you hear that? But it's throat.
God, you're rubbish.
That was like the worst fake burp ever.
You sound like a freaking duck. Quack. Just drink the rest of the Coke.
I can't.
No. Really?
That was half of that. Now there's a little bit.
Your friend's like,
I know. I'm just doing my.
you ruined mine.
I can't do it.
No, me neither anymore. Wait.
Like you can feel it in your throat.
Did you just that?
No.
Oh, that's cool.
Mine's like.
Well, we attractive.
Did you hear that one there? It was like my second bar.
So
like,
attractive.
no, because it comes up, then it stops there, then it stops there, then it stops there, then it stops there. Then it stops there.
No.
It's like,
No, it comes onto here. No, it doesn't.
it's like, no, it doesn't want to go.
Are we done?
Yeah.
Right, bye.